Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable insights into the world of finance and investing. In today's video, we'll be diving into the concept of earnings per share, or EPS. EPS is a crucial financial metric that investors use to assess a company's profitability and gauge its potential for growth. In this step-by-step guide, we'll break down EPS and help you master this important aspect of financial analysis. Let's get started. Earnings per share, or EPS, is a financial ratio that measures the profitability of a company on a per-share basis. It is calculated by dividing a company's net earnings by its total outstanding shares. EPS provides investors with valuable information about a company's ability to generate profits and distribute them among shareholders. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step process of mastering EPS. 1. Understanding net earnings. To calculate EPS, you need to start with the net earnings of the company. Net earnings represent the company's total revenue minus all expenses, including taxes, operating costs, and interest payments. It is essential to have a clear understanding of how net earnings are calculated and how they impact the bottom line. 2. Obtaining outstanding shares. The next step is to determine the total number of outstanding shares. Outstanding shares refer to the total number of shares issued by the company and held by investors. This information can be found in the company's financial statements or annual reports. 3. Calculating basic EPS. Basic EPS is the most common type of EPS calculation. It is derived by dividing the net earnings by the total outstanding shares. Basic EPS provides a straightforward measure of a company's earnings on a per-share basis. 4. Analyzing diluted EPS. Diluted EPS takes into account the potential dilution of earnings from convertible securities, such as stock options or convertible bonds. It provides a more conservative measure of earnings per share, as it considers the impact of potential additional shares being issued. 5. Interpreting EPS. Once you have calculated the EPS figure, it's important to interpret it in the context of the company's industry, historical performance, and future growth prospects. Comparing a company's EPS to that of its competitors can provide insights into its relative profitability and performance. 6. Considering other factors. While EPS is a key metric, it should not be evaluated in isolation. Investors should consider other financial ratios, such as price-to-earnings (PE) ratio, return on equity (ROE), and revenue growth, to get a comprehensive understanding of a company's financial health and potential for future growth. Earnings per share, EPS, is a fundamental metric that investors use to assess a company's profitability and its ability to generate returns for shareholders. By understanding the step-by-step process of calculating and analyzing EPS, you can gain valuable insights into a company's financial performance. We hope this step-by-step guide to EPS mastery has provided you with a better understanding of this important financial metric. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into finance and investing. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.